Well, the latch on my glove box broke, and I had four choices. One, get an OEM glove box, which was $1,360, because Porsche wouldn't sell me just the latch, or a eBay used glove box for $150, or an eBay latch with holes, and I'll explain that later, for $50. Purchasing a latch from the US from Auto Technic, which was $70, and that was the decision that I made. This is the latch repaired. This is the latch that actually broke. So I think what happened is the plastic just got brittle over the years, because when we opened it, this handle just came off in our hands. And so I'll discuss, there's two ways to repair this. I want the route where you don't have to put holes here to get to two screws. Instead, I pried this off. And I actually had to use a soldering iron, something that gets really hot, to get all of it out, which was kind of a challenge. So I'll show you some of the options. The option again I went with was I just ordered the latch without the screws, and therefore didn't have to put holes in the glove box. If you want it more secured, the latch, then you have to put holes in the glove box to get to the screws, and you have to buy a different latch, a latch that has the reciprocal holes, and I'll show you pictures of those and where to get them. So this latch cost me $70. There were cheaper latches, but they came from China and I didn't want to wait. I got mine from a United States company, so it only took 3 or 4 days to get. Now, if your glove box is red or black or tan, they have latches that match that color. When you get the new latch, you'll have to remove your old lock. And the way to do that is take your valet key, put it in the lock, turn the key probably 30-40 degrees, and then pull, and it'll pull right out. Now be careful when you're pulling that out. There are keys in the tumbler, and you don't want them to fall out. Mine actually fell out. One of them fell out, but I was able to figure out where it went and was able to put it back in. And then when you get your new latch, this is actually the old latch. When you get the new latch, then you just push it in and pull the key out. And that's all you need to do. Here's a little bit better explanation of the lock.
The new latch, you'll need to change over the lock barrel. You'll need the key for that. On the back of the key, there's that little latch there. Just pull that down, remove the key. And then what we're going to do is put it into there. We're going to open it up so it looks like that. And you can see this little silver, that's the little clip thing that's sitting on the inside and holding it in place. But because either if I pull it like that or turn it 90 degrees, it's going to pull straight out. If I turn it so it's only about 1/8 of a turn, the thing is locked in place. And now if I then press down on this one here and pull out at the same time, it takes a little bit of force and that'll just pop straight out. I would suggest leaving the key in there, because when you pull these out, I'm not sure if you can see that, but the little plungers, which are the things that allow with the key the thing to rotate and unlock the barrel, they will pop out, or they're sort of loose and there's a spring inside for each of those. So just be a little bit careful. I would just leave the key in there like that. And then for the new one, all you need to do is just put it in there and then just push it into place, and that just clips straight into that clip at the back. And then you can have a bit of a play with it, check that it actually turns. You can see there's a little latch in there. So in that configuration there, I can open it, but if I rotate it like that, that little knob goes around that position and I can't turn it. So that's the thing that's locking it. Happy days. And then to install this, all you're going to do is just put it in there like that, and then you need to push it into that clip. So you're just going to push it hard.
I ordered this latch from Auto Technic.